Welcome. In this video we are showing how to create custom reports in IBM Planning Analytics for Excel. Custom report allow you to build complex report, formatting, and visualizations. You can create a custom reports from Exploration View, Quick Report, or you can create a custom report from scratch. Select a required cell on the Excel sheet where you want to generate a custom report. Right-click on the desired cube view. Go to Custom Report and click on At Current Location option. The custom report is different from all the other reports. It's not a single block-based report. It gives you ability to move around context area cells as per your requirement. It looks like all other reports, but there is no necessity to keep this together. Custom reports also provide you the ability to use Excel calculations and formatting while creating the reports. Apply formatting on the report. Add title to the report. IBM Planning Analytics provide collection of hundreds of custom formulas. Using these functions, you can build a complex report that cannot be easily achieved with quick reports or dynamic reports. Let's take one calculation example. Take the gross revenue. Paste it anywhere and update cell reference. You can access data from anywhere and multiple data sources. With the help of multiple DBRW functions, you can perform calculation on same cell. So, let's add another cell reference here. IBM Planning Analytics provide you a wide range of reporting options. Each report type has its own benefits and limitations. Here you can see the key advantage and limitations of each report. In our previous video, we have given detailed information on all those topics. You can even publish this custom report on IBM Planning Analytics workspace. That's it for now. To know more about IBM service offerings, visit our website or contact us on email. Thank you for watching this video.